In a small village nestled between emerald hills, young Amina lived with her family. Amina had heard stories about the Hajj, the pilgrimage that every able Muslim should undertake once in their lifetime. Her father would often recount his own experiences, describing the sacred atmosphere of the Holy Kaaba. He spoke of the unity felt with millions of Muslims who gathered, seeking closeness to Allah. This year, Amina's family received the joyous news. They would embark on this blessed journey, fulfilling her deepest childhood longing. The journey began with meticulous preparations, ensuring every detail was in accordance with Islamic precepts. As the family arrived in Mecca, Amina's heart swelled with awe seeing the majestic Kaaba. She joined her family in Tawaf, circumambulating the holy house, feeling the cool marble under her feet. With each round, her mind was filled with prayers and the feeling of gratitude. Standing at Mount Arafat, Amina experienced profound introspection, understanding the essence of submission to Allah's will. Her parents explained the significance of this day, where pilgrims pleaded for forgiveness and divine mercy. Moved by the collective devotion, Amina felt a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. Throughout the days of Hajj, the rigorous, yet spiritually rewarding rituals taught Amina resilience and patience. Witnessing her family's unwavering faith and the kindness among fellow pilgrims, Amina learned the true meaning of community and brotherhood in Islam. As the pilgrimage concluded with the symbolic stoning at Mina and the joyful celebration of Eid al-Adha, Amina embraced a new level of spiritual maturity. She held on to this awakening, promising to carry its teachings and memories through all the days of her life. The experience of Hajj was transformative for Amina, reinforcing her faith and understanding the principles of sacrifice, patience, and the profound unity of the Ummah. The moral of Amina's journey is that true spiritual growth is realized in the dedication to faith and the unity experienced in worship.